We have a vlog camera, and we have a picture camera.
Hi everyone, we are going to Thailand tonight.
Hey guys, it's
me. Maggie's already in China, so she's gonna meet us there. And she came over to eat all my leftovers. And we are going to the airport in
like an hour.
So we're boarding. Yay! We just boarded, and we're doing this strategy where I would book a window seat and she books an aisle, and we'll hope that no one books the middle seat because no one wants the middle seat, and I think it's working. We're like, we don't want to be too happy too early because like the guy at the check-in counter literally lied to us. Like, we asked him if anyone booked a middle seat, he said yes. So we were kind of like dreading it. Oh shit. Okay guys, we just landed in Hong Kong. It was like a 15-hour flight.
Yeah, can't believe I'm in Asia. I haven't been here since like 7th grade.
I slept so well on the flight. I've never felt this energized. It's like 5 a.m. in the morning, and we're gonna go to my mom's hotel. So yeah, so she flew to Hong Kong from Taiwan to hang out with us during this layover. So we're gonna go meet her at the hotel, take a shower, and then we're gonna go into city center.
Yay! Why am I here? And we're going to Thailand soon. This is a whole different vibe.
Toon really wants to go to 7-Eleven.
American to explore a whole new world.
Yeah, taking an American to the first Asian 7-Eleven.
Oh, should I get this?
Wait, this is a popsicle? That's so cute.
223 calories. What up?
This is my mom. Damn. We are in Chiang Mai! Maggie got here like 5 hours ago. So cute.
I literally set this up, open this for that story, and then it's than that. What do you mean you set it up? You know that story, like waiting for you guys to come?
Yeah. We're all together now. This is our first meal. Hey guys! We're so excited. Everything looks so good. Hey Maggie, your first appearance on the vlog. Any thoughts?
I was here for 7 hours alone. We should do a Q&A. What's your favorite color?
Okay.
Oh, I have gifts!
What?
Not a gift, but like, it's like a souvenir. Me, right?
That's me, bro.
I'm pink. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, that's what I meant.
If I was singing songs, just to sing the songs. If I was singing, cause that's what the bitches wanted. I couldn't play guitar like Van Halen. Had no secret chords like St. David. But you...
What are we doing right now?
Massage!
So today we went to the elephant park. We did a tour where we just walk with them, we prepare food with them, and then we feed them.
Insert footage here.
And that whole activity is going to be from Christine's POV. Hi, we're at the elephant park. So cute. And we didn't know that the elephants were just going to be walking around. But they just walk in the middle of the street. Dogs. And there's dogs too.
My whole vinyl collection, and you can teach me how to slow dance or something, and I'ma give you chills harmonizing the oldest eyes in my.
Look at the little princess. She put grass on herself because she thinks she's so pretty. And she sucks at vlogging, so I really don't know what we got.
And every time a nigga asks me if I I sing songs to get at women. I say yeah, see, no fear, no
Wait, why is
fear,
this so
shit.
funny on you
I say,
guys?
boy, don't judge this hell if you want me. You be singing to her like la da 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 da. La, da.
But we just landed in Bangkok and our first stop is going to be... No. We saw a bakery. It's named... Yeah, never mind. Anyways, we're gonna go to Pop Mart because we're trying to get a labubu. And I feel like there's a higher chance of getting a labubu here. But we will see. Okay, we're at Terminal 21. There's so many people outside of this Pop Mart, so I don't know. Do we have it? Do we have the keychains? Wait, where? Hey guys, we got all of the rest of these have a seat labubus. Oh my god, okay, we literally ran in and we took everything. We're sorry. Okay, so now we're gonna do some predictions. So put it here. Okay, so I have two. I think I want this gray one. I want the pink one.
I kind of want this one
And then the purple one.
or the gray one. But I think I'm gonna get the mystery, which is hopefully Coca-Cola.
Oh my god, I can't believe we
Literally, we were the biggest haters. Nah, we're not gonna give in to the hype.
We're like,
It was so ugly. First night in Bangkok, and we like ran, we sprinted.
Baby, you know that I adore you. Baby, you know
Day 2 in Bangkok. Well, technically day 1. We really slept in. We woke up at like 10.
We
Our brunchy. We are on our way to a canal tour. We just got mango smoothie. It's so good.
I have to take it where it could be. Baby, you know that I adore you. 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 Taking me higher, ain't no question. Taking me higher, ain't no question. Taking me higher, ain't no question.
Hey, we just got to Phuket. We're gonna go to dinner and we're gonna take pictures today. That's why we're trying so hard. You can tell by our makeup compared to the past few days. Hopefully we get a picture so we can actually enjoy the vacation after this.